A heartbreaking story that's come in from Tamil Nadu's Kallakurichi. Yesterday, we got you details of the huge tragedy that's led to so many deaths, now 50+ deaths, and heartbreaking scenes that played out in Karunapuram of Kallakurichi as grieving families lay their loved ones to rest. And this was a massive funeral that had to take place of 40 people and their fires being lit at the same time. Amid accusations of government negligence, protests intensified against the authorities. Chief Minister Stalin spoke in the assembly today, saying, yes, my government, we are responsible for what happened, but we're taking corrective measures.
Bodies upon bodies lined up for a mass funeral.
These are the makeshift crematorium that has been created. 21 bodies of the 38 are going to be burnt over here, one after the other. It is happening. These are the beloved son, daughter, mother, father and children of the people of this village. The entire village has gathered over here and they are clueless.
What's left now are grief, memories and shattered dreams. This is the story of the many families in Tamil Nadu's Kallakurichi who've lost a family member and in some cases the only breadwinner to spurious liquor. The Stalin government in the state is facing flack over 50 deaths caused in the current Hooch tragedy. Many are calling out the callousness of the state government machinery in simply failing to curb the sale of illegal liquor. The opposition AIA-DMK staged a black protest against MK Stalin, while the BJP launched a scathing attack on the leadership.
Very unfortunate, and our Honorable Chief Minister has not gone to that place. He is sending Udayanidhi. So it is not a family program. The local people say it has been a practice for quite a long time. Why didn't they prevent it? And there is a strong connection between the DMK functionaries and these type of activities.
இது நெஞ்சை பதற வைக்கின்ற சம்பவம், நாட்டையே உலுக்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற சம்பவம். இதையெல்லாம் சட்டமன்றத்திலே பேச வேண்டும் என்று பேரவைத் தலைவரிடத்திலே அனுமதி கேட்டோம். பேரவைத் தலைவர் அனுமதி மறுத்துவிட்டார்.
The Madras High Court has sought a report from the state government. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin says a probe has been ordered.
தமிழ்நாட்டின் முதலமைச்சர் முறையில் இந்த பிரச்சனையிலிருந்து நான் ஓடி ஒளிவப்பன் அல்ல, பொறுப்பை உணர்ந்ததற்காக பொறுப்போடு பதிலளித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறேன். குற்றவாளிகளை கைது செய்துவிட்டு தான் உங்களுக்கு பதிலளித்திருக்கிறேன். திறந்த மனதோடு இரும்பு கரங்கொண்டு குற்றம் புரிந்தவர்களை அடக்கி வருகிறேன்.
3 suspected bootleggers have been arrested and they have a criminal history. The police are on the lookout for the alleged kingpin, Chinnadurai, who allegedly supplied the distilled arak that caused the deaths. This is the second such tragedy in 2 years. Last year, 22 persons were killed after consuming similar illicit alcohol laced with methanol. But it looks like deaths are just a number for the DMK government. With Pramod Madhav in Kallakurichi, Tamil Nadu, Bureau Report, India Today.
Let me bring in Shilpa Nair, who's joining us live from Chennai with more details. Heartbreaking images that are coming in from Kallakurichi, Shilpa, and the outrage is understandable. You know, across Tamil Nadu, people are asking questions right now of the state government. MK Stalin today in the assembly stood up, decided to take responsibility, said, I'm accountable for what's happened. But there are some questions being asked about local politicians' involvement as well. Get us the latest on that. Are there any allegations that are proven right now against local netas?
Well, Achita, in fact, people in Kallakurichi, especially the families of the victims, when you speak to them, all of them say that, you know, this has been known to everyone that illicit liquor was being sold. This has been going on for quite some time and everyone knew about this. So the question is, why didn't the police act on it? Why did this tragedy happen? So these are questions that are being raised. Of course, the opposition parties say that the buck should not stop with the officials, because remember the DMK government after the tragedy almost transferred out every single main official in the Kallakurichi district, be the district collector, the district SP was suspended, many officers in the prohibition enforcement wing were suspended, the ADGP of enforcement wing CID was also transferred out. But the opposition party says do not make these officials a scapegoat, go behind the root problem, find out if there is a mafia, find out if there are involvement of local politicians, local leaders helping these mafias, who are these people funding these people, where are they getting the methanol from. All of this needs to be identified and strict action needs to be taken from top to down. That is the only solution for this problem, is what many experts and even the opposition parties have been telling the government. The government so far says they've arrested 4 in connection with the tragedy. The main accused is, of course, Govinduraj, and a couple of his relatives also have been arrested. And in fact, this alcohol seized from them, the government says it was found to have been mixed with methanol, and this methanol, the Chief Minister said, was procured from Puducherry. And the Chief Minister says, though we are taking steps to curb the brewing and sale of illicit liquor, the challenge, of course, is that many people are smuggling methanol and illicit liquor from across the borders, from neighboring states and neighboring places, and that is
the need of the hour, there's no doubt, is a systematic crackdown. This is a racket, and a well-oiled one, that now will have to face, and there have to be action essentially by the Stalin government on multiple fronts to take this down. Thanks very much, Shilpa, for joining us with those details.